Making spice rum. I'm going to just take the first very most important thing is the rum, which I've taken about 1 liter, followed by a few spices like bay leaf, peppercorns, part of star anise, kopak buds, cloves, cinnamon, and elaichi, cardamom. Now this is the container that I'm going to mix it up in. A bottle again, glass bottle. So let's get started with this. Ready, Tevan? Okay, to start with, let's heat up a pan and collect all of this into the bowl, right? Now, once you feel the pan is hot, like the pan is warm, I'm going to just add in all of this and just give it a small stir just for a minute. Let the aroma kick in. Let's just give it a minute or two. Okay, I think it's warm. If I touch these whole masalas, it's like warm, so I think that should be sufficient. Let's just collect it all back into the container that we have, the bowl, right? So I'm just going to add each of this into the bottle, right?
Thank you.
Now, the next step is going to be pouring the rum.
Which I'll do.
Okay.
Pause it.
Okay, so I kind of we filled about 3/4 of the bottle, right? You can see
that's for drinking now, that's why.
So that's for drinking now. So if you look at the bottle,
I'm gonna give it a shake.
you can see all the spices floating up over here. Yeah.
Alright, so we'll come back in about a week and we'll see how it looks like. So it's about a week up since we put in all the spices into the rum. So this is the same bottle that you saw some time back, and if you see, all the spices have kind of just settled down at the bottom, and we took a small swig of it and really tastes awesome. So go ahead and make some yourself. Thank you.